Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to freeze frame in CapCut. To freeze a frame in CapCut, launch open the CapCut application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page, tap on New Project at the top of the screen and then select a video clip and tap the Add button at the bottom right to bring it into the timeline. After you have the video on your timeline, go ahead and tap on the video layer on the screen and drag it along the area where you want to freeze the frame. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Split in order to cut the video in two halves. Once you've split the video clip, tap on the portion of the video you want to freeze and then go to the bottom menu and look for the freeze option. The freeze button will appear right next to the reverse button. Simply tap on that now and the freeze frame will appear as a still image in your timeline. Now you can go ahead and drag the edges of the still frame to adjust how long it lasts. After your freeze frame, you can also add transitions, text, or effects to make the video more interesting. And just like that, your frame is frozen, perfect for creating dramatic pauses, emphasizes, or unique edits. And that's how you can easily freeze frame in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.